Alright, hey guys, thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over some classic Kanye West here, a little Everything I Am, pretty much like an interlude tune actually off of the Graduation album, but really pretty piece. I've always really liked it, and just thought about trying to learn how to play it. So I have, and I'm going to show you guys at least one way that you can go about playing it. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are returning, you already know. Let's hop in. Okay, so Everything I Am is pretty much a piano driven and a beat song. And really we have three chords. We have an A flat, a C minor, and an E flat. Obviously, you can play those at lots of different places. The way I'm going to play these, we're going to play these pretty far down the neck here. We're going to hang around here on this 8th fret. Okay, so those are the chords. So let's go ahead and go over those real quick here. So this A flat, you're going to bar the 8th fret. Middle finger is going to be on the 9th fret of the B. Your ring finger is going to be on the 10th of the D, and pinky is on the 11th of the A. So if you're not familiar with that chord shape, it might take a little getting used to, but it's a fun one to play around with. So that's going to be your A minor. That's going to be your A flat. Now you can also, if that is too cumbersome, you can play a standard barred A flat up here, which is just barring your 4th fret. Middle finger is on the 5th here of that G, pinky is on the 6th of the D, and ring is on the 6th of the A. That's the other way you can play it if you want to. So we're going to bounce back and forth between this A flat and a C minor. C minor, we're just barring that 8th fret. Ring finger is on the 10th of the A, pinky is on the 10th of the D. Alright, that is your C minor. And then we have an E flat, just barring the 6th and the 8th frets here. Okay, so with these chords, you can play it, you can play just like this. And you can do that the entire way, just bounce back and forth between that progression there. Now, obviously, I like to always try to throw in some extra little lead things here to make it a little more fun, and a little more challenging as well. So for this first piece here, let me go ahead and play through it. And so that's just adding in some of the melody lines from the song there. So on that A flat, after you play, so you play the A flat to the C minor here. Okay, so we're doing there, keeping this bar here. So we're hitting the E string here, so 8th fret of the E. And we're going to put our pinky onto the 11th of the B. We're going to pull off. And then ring finger to the 10th here of the G. So okay. Sorry. So you play that one twice, then to your E flat. And instead of going back and playing the chords again, you can just do, sorry. Okay. And for that, so we're 9th fret here in that B to the 8th. Then we're going to the 8th of the G, and then 8, 5, 8 on that G there. Okay. And that's also, so the way that the song starts before the chords, you've got this little piano piece here. Okay, so all that is here on this B, sliding from that 6th to the 8th, then 6th on the high E, and then 8th fret on the high E. And then, sorry, then resolving on the 8th of the B. So, and we'll do that twice. And then you'll go, just what we worked on before. Okay. Dang. Okay. And really that's it for for the entire song. All right. So another thing you could do there, instead of barring the 6th and the 8th for your E flat, you can just play that 8th fret barred. That'll work as well, like I just did. But that is essentially it for everything I am. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave any feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.